You know, when I was 8 years old, I just knew I was going to be one of those people on one of those wagon wheel spaceships, and just, you know, it was all about the space program and engineering, so I always knew I was going to be an engineer.
Liftoff. Liftoff. 30 minutes after the...
I mean, there is no particular reason why drones should be a guy thing. I'm Dr. Robin Murphy, and I'm the Raytheon Professor of Computer Science and Engineering at Texas A&M. When 9/11 happened, we deployed, the robots were successful. Somebody said, well, how many lives do you save? It's kind of like asking a fire truck, how many lives does a fire truck save? It's the tools for the responders. And now things like drones, what we learn both on the engineering, but about what do we learn, how we think, how we interact, how they think, how to make a system that really helps. So within 2 months, I had fallen totally in love with all things robotic.
Currently, I work for the Florida State University Emergency Management and Homeland Security program. I am the logistics chief and a UAS pilot. So I met Dr. Murphy at the Winter Institute in 2020, which is the exercise that I was hired out of by FSU. Needless to say, I was impressed by everything that she knows.
10 minutes, reprieve. Good job.
Just Dr. Murphy's experience and vast knowledge, and Justin's also, I mean, it's just amazing that they've been doing this for so long.
Women in drones is just wonderful, and being able to offer women who are serious about it. The call from one of my colleagues about this was like, oh yeah, these aren't just, oh, we're gonna fly drones. Yeah, these are serious people who can do good things, and will take the knowledge and will teach others, but use it, and that's really exciting. This has been the best group we've ever trained.